Today I will be showing to you GarudaSwap, an update to GarudaSwap which just occurred yesterday. So I was staking GarudaSwap for around 0.60. I staked for around $160 inside GarudaSwap, and as you can see here, I got something like this. I get around 45% ROI. Yesterday it was 90, but because of the volume and the amount of users using this platform, this APR goes really lower and lower and lower while the money is coming out. So this is the amount of money that I have currently. uh, I do have 68.66 Garuda BUSD LP, which when you translate it into 2951, that's gonna give you around um, times 2.951, which is gonna give you around $200. So that's really cool because you have $200. I have 160 as a capital, and I do have a 142 already. So I already got my ROI back. Okay, and I'm going to withdraw this one. So for the withdrawal, I think it's going to be like this. You will just gonna go to Pancakeswap and search for Garuda. Okay, so that is Garuda. Okay, that I think it's inside. I'm gonna put it on max, and then I'm gonna swap it into maybe BNB. Okay, so I'm not sure what's happening here. Oh, so it's around 141 currently, and I'm pretty much happy on that. But I prefer uh, to transfer it into BNB so that it's a lot more easier. So as you can see here, I'm already getting my money back here. So I'm just going to swap this one into BNB, and then just pay, of course, the gas fee, which is pretty much expensive, I can say. So I got this 142, and take note, I do still have the $200 here. So I already got my capital back, and this is just the profits running. So if you're going to ask me why are you keeping these profits here? Why you don't actually get this one? The reason why is this one. You're getting 44% ROI every single day. So why would you get your capital here if you're actually making money? I'm just doing it because I want to preserve my capital. I want to manage my risk really well. So as you can see here, I have my BNB here. I already got the money, and it's really looking fine right now. Even though it goes really pretty much down uh, uh, last few minutes, I got really late on selling it. However, gain is a gain, and I got almost $100 for not actually not doing anything. So um, so this is the current update. You should definitely check out GarudaSwap. As you can see here again, let's turn it to 720p. The current price is 0.60, and now the current price is 1.12. So that's times 2. So I got a coin worth GarudaSwap for around 0.60, but it goes up by 100%. That's why I got $120 or $140, I guess. So I got the money here. Everything's doing well. If you have a spare money, then probably you would prefer to invest here. However, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do manage your funds really well. It is your responsibility. And as you can see here, I'm gonna go back again into this video. Um, Let me see for a moment. I'm not sure if it is here. I'm talking about the governance here. However, just letting you know, the total value last night is around 9 million, and it's around 20 million right now. And the reason also why I bought this, even though it already dumps, it is because it started from 10. And if I'm if I'm entering this swap at 0.5, I don't have anything to lose because a lot of people already lost their money here, right? So it is a no-brainer. Of course, you should be careful on this one because you don't know if this is just another drop. However, if it is, then probably I can mine more tokens. And that is it for this video, guys. I also do have a Pancakeswap. I already got my money here. I already got the 50% of my money here, and I'm going to create a separate video for that. And that is it. If you like uh, to to stake in Garuda, I'm going to drop the link below the description. And see you on the next video.